Are you looking for the best investment dashboard to track your portfolio? Well, keep watching to find out which tools can really help you manage and grow your investments easily. Now, this video is not for financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So I'm going to tell you something. Having the right investment dashboard is key to staying on top of your investments, tracking performance, and making smart decisions. All right? So, with many options out there, how do you know which one is best for you? Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to share 5 of the best investment dashboards that can really help you to keep everything in check. All right? So, here are the best investment dashboards. Let me start. Number 1, Personal Capital. So, this free tool allows you to track your investments, to analyze your portfolio, and plan for retirement all in one place. The second one is called Morningstar. Known for its in-depth analysis and research, Morningstar's dashboard gives you powerful insights into your investments. Number 3 is Mint. It's a user-friendly platform. Mint helps you track both your spending and your investments in real time. The fourth one is Yahoo Finance. With its easy-to-use interface, Yahoo Finance provides a customizable dashboard for tracking stocks, mutual funds, and more. And the fifth one is Kubera. Now, I'll put these in the description. Kubera is a premium tool that allows you to track a wide variety of assets, okay, including real estate and crypto, giving you a complete overview of your portfolio. Now, using the right dashboard can really make managing your investments easier and more efficient. So start using one today to stay organized and focus on your financial goals. And if you like these picks, leave me a like. I love you.